It was a sunny, happy morning. Binky and Toby were playing by the lake. They weren't looking for an adventure. They were just tossing a pine cone, giggling and telling silly jokes. The lake sparkled, the birds sang, and everything felt just right. Suddenly, a big gust of wind rushed over the lake. It twirled the leaves, spun the flower petals. Something shiny and very small floated through the air like a tiny star.
Hey, Toby, look! I found something.
Oh, wow. It's a seed. But how do we know what it will grow into? I know who can tell us. Dr. Feather.
Let's go ask him right now.
So off they went, walking through the trees toward the Dr. Feather's oak tree.
Dr. Feather, we have a question. What is this little seed?
I'm so glad you asked. Seeds are magical. Every seed hides a tiny baby plant inside. It's curled up, fast asleep in a hard shell, as just like a treasure chest, just waiting for the right moment to wake up. But to open that shell, it needs 3 special keys: water, warmth, and sunlight.
Like when we eat breakfast to get strong.
Exactly. And once it grows leaves, it can make its own food from sunlight. Some seeds even grow into big, beautiful trees.
Thank you, Dr. Feather. That was amazing!
Binky and Toby were so excited after talking to Dr. Feather, they decided to plant the little seed right away.
Wow, Toby. Maybe this tiny seed will grow into a big tree with birds singing in its branches.
Yes. But we have to take good care of it. Every day.
Every day, Binky and Toby visited their little seed. They gave it water, sang to it, and made sure it was warm and safe. And then, one bright morning, something amazing happened. A tiny green sprout pushed up from the soil. The magic had begun.
Look, Toby! It sprouted! It's really growing, just like Dr. Feather said. If you liked our little tale, give a like without fail. Click subscribe, don't be shy. More adventures coming by. With me and Toby, there's more to see. A world of magic, fun, and glee.